Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and today's video is just a little tiny mini haul and an announcement. So stay tuned to the end of the video and let's get started with the haul. In February, I made just a little bit of an order to Ulta and I placed an order with Undereye, and that video is already live. I have 4 looks with the Hela palette, so I'll just go ahead and start with that. I purchased the Hela palette, and if you did see my video, you already know what it looks like. It looks like this. I keep the sleeve on it because it's just such a really cool little touch, and this is what the palette looks like. Again, I keep the plastic on there because it protects the mirror from getting stuff all over it. And it's just a really beautiful palette for spring, and I have had so much fun creating with this palette. You can watch that video either in the link there or over on my channel. Well, you are on my channel, but you know, in the video lists. But I went ahead and I purchased the palette and scarf set, and oh, the scarf is so pretty. It's so soft, and one side of it is colored, illustrated, basically the same, and then on the inside it is black and white. So it's got this really lovely black and white print on one side and this colored print on the other, and I think it's just a really lovely scarf. Very soft, really cool. I love that. So I also found this little silicone heat pocket at Target at the dollar spot, and I keep this in my office because that's where my hot tools are for my hair, except for my dry brush. Every time my dry bar single shot hair dryer, so I like having this for my curling iron and my flat iron as a safe place for them to rest. So I haven't taken the little thingy off, but it was $3 in the Target dollar spot, and yeah, I thought this was a good tool to pick up for my needs. That way I don't have to worry about setting it down somewhere and melting the carpet, or running the risk of setting it on my bookshelf and burning one of my books. That's no thanks. So the only other thing that I purchased this month is a small order from Ulta. I did need this. I placed an order because I needed this. My Odin's Eye Soul Moon palette has a shade in it that is kind of dry, and it's a really lovely red shade with some blue. And I've read on various forums that people have had success adding oil to their palette to kind of revive that shade, and it works okay, but it's not a long-term solution. It's just, I think, a thing for that shade. But anyway, I picked up this. This is the NYX Hydrating Glow Hydra Touch Oil Primer, excuse me, and I don't know why I took it out of the box. You can't see it. It's just a glowy oil primer, but I really like this bottle. It's got you untwist it and the cap comes up, but it's still locked, and then you have to actually untwist it to get the dropper out of there. And then when you tighten the lid, it goes back down so that you don't accidentally push the button. So I thought that that was kind of a cute little handy mechanism there for that product. So I have tried to rehydrate the shadow already, and again, just to do a couple of swatches, it works okay, but it's a short-term fix. But we'll probably get to that in my eyeshadows and shame segment another day. Since I needed that NYX oil, I went ahead and spent $25. You got a free NYX gift. So I bought the Dewy Finish Makeup Setting Mist. I'm surprised this is such a small bottle. It's 2.03 fluid ounces, and I am almost out of my Morphe Luminous Setting Mist, so I thought I'd go ahead and try the NYX. I haven't tried this NYX Setting Spray, so I wanted to give it a try. I also actually purchased a lip liner, but instead of the lip liner, they sent me this e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick in Dazzling Peony, so I don't have the lip liner. I have this instead, which, I mean, I'm not really a cream blush wearer, though I have kind of started to want to dabble into it. I do use a cream bronzer product that I'm trying to finish up, so I'll give this a try. Okay, sure, why not? So I didn't get the eyeliner, but they still sent me the gift with purchase anyway. Just a little 4-piece set. It came with an eyeliner in Emerald, which I already have. It came with this mini matte setting spray, which I'm pretty sure I have enough setting sprays now. It came with a mini butter gloss in creme brulee, which I already have, and it came with a mini translucent setting powder. I have so many powders. This is a nice little gift set, and between this gift set and the NARS gift set that I picked up in my last haul, I was thinking about doing a giveaway. Part of my goal with this channel was to be able to give back to the community that has been so supportive and kind to me. But yeah, I'm not sure what I should do about that. I'm still contemplating it because I'm not going to keep this. I have all these products. It's a lot. But I would love to be able to do a giveaway. I don't know. Let me know what you think. So I have been wanting to try Spectrum brushes for a long time, and the only Spectrum brush set that Ulta has is this one. It's the Minnie Mouse mini 6-piece. I think it's a jet setter set. I'm not sure, but it's this little tiny train case that looks like this with all these pretty pastels, and then it comes with 6 little mini brushes. And they feel really soft. I haven't used them yet, but I think I'm going to now that I'm showing you that I have them. And yeah, they look really soft and comfy, and I'm really excited to try these out. So since I did go over the threshold, I was able to get the gift with purchase here, and let's open it together. I haven't tried, I don't think I've tried any of these products that I can see, so let's see what we got. I have the Loccitane Immortelle Reset, just a mini of that, which I'm excited to use. The Herborian Glow Cream in a little sample size. I got the Herborian Pink, losing things. I got the Herborian Pink Primer and Care Cream, another little mini. I got a Grown Alchemist Body Cleanser, Gel Cleanser, which is kind of nice. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, okay. Well, that's very interesting. It's kind of a citrusy clean scent. It's very nice. I like that. I also got another cleanser. This is the L'Occitane Almond Shower Oil, and I'm actually really excited about this one. I've been wanting to try this for a while. Oh, that's very sweet. This is definitely an opposite fragrance family of this one. This is very citrusy and kind of woodsy, and this one is very, very sweet. I think I'm gonna like this. Next, I have some Elemis products. I have the Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser here. This is a nice size. It's a 30 ml bottle, 1 ounce. And yeah, I'm excited to try that. I don't think I've tried anything from that brand. I might have, but if I have, I've forgotten. I also have a sample of the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, which is nice because it is on the Ulta Spring Beauty Sale, the 21 Days of Beauty. I'm not sure which day, but I know it's on there. And last, another Grown Alchemist product. And this is a very large box for, oh, I guess it's just a tall tube. It is the Hydra Repair Day Cream with Camellia Geranium Blossom. Ooh, I'm not sure if I'm gonna like that. Okay, it's a little metal tube, so you have to puncture and open. Okay, well, this will be interesting. So, that's it. Oh, one last thing. Again, it's a home fragrance sold at Ulta. This is the Pura Capri Blue in Havana Vanilla. I really like this. I've been wanting to try a Capri Blue product for a long time and wasn't really sure about the price tag on it, but this is really nice. This is Havana Vanilla, and I've already opened it, so there's a little bit of that oil residue that's in that box, and it smells very nice, and I can't wait to have this in my home fragrance diffuser. So that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed my little tiny haul. Again, I'm still kind of working on a no/low buy for this year. I'm really trying to focus on my project pan items and moving products out more than I bring in. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm really excited to try a couple of things. I'm a little bummed I didn't get my lip liner, but I have a handful, and this is a new product to me that I'm excited to use. I haven't used a cream product like this in a long time, so I can't wait to use and review that one for you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I can't wait to talk to you in the comments. If you'd like to follow me for more content, you can always follow me over on Instagram at tiffany.hamlin, where I post my daily makeup, manicures, sometimes what's in my teacup, anything. And then over on TikTok, you can follow my Aerial Silks journey. Sometimes my required influencer posts and other shenanigans as well. I don't post over there as often, but I'm really trying to. So thank you so much for spending some of your very valuable time with me today. I truly appreciate it as always. So until next time, stay safe and take care.